welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. So if you're a returning subscriber or video watcher, then you know that I just previously sold my 2015 6.7 Powerstroke. Now, I've still got my camper, I've still got my trailers, and I've still got my toys, so I need something to haul and I need something fast. Okay, so anyway, we need to find a truck very fast. So I can't decide if I want to order a 2020 or if I want to buy a used truck. So my buddy Cody has invited me over to check out his 2019 F-450, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is incredible. It's got the front end swap of a 2020. He just barely took the wrap off of it, so it is looking beautiful. It's all blacked out. Why am I describing it? Just check it out. All right, guys, so we have Cody's 2019 F-450 here, okay? Now, it might look like a 2020, but that's because they just did the full front end swap. This front end swap was done by Dependable Auto and Tire here in Logan, Utah, and I think it looks incredible. I haven't seen too many of the 2020s up close like this, especially done up this nice, but man, it sure looks nice. That front end looks incredible. That hood looks great. Fusion front bumpers. 22-inch American Force wheels on Toyo 37-inch MTs. So for the suspension setup that we have on this F-450, we've got Stryker dual steering stabilizers up here in the front, as well as Stryker 4.5-inch suspension lift, and we've got off-road charged shocks here. Oh man, the detail on this is just incredible. I love how that looks. Wow. I think that is the perfect size wheel, tire setup, and lift for this Ford. What do you guys think? Let us know down below. Okay, we have a rear tailgate spoiler. We have a bed cover, deleted and tuned. Ooh, look at that. Exhaust by MBRP. If you need exhaust and diesel tuning, let me know. We've got automatic side steps coming into the interior. Custom painted red to match that front end. Boys, this truck, I'm telling you, this truck is incredible. I think that kind of covers all the parts that are on this truck. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm stuck. I don't know if I should go look for a 2020. I don't know if I should look for a 2019. This one already has the 20 front end on it. Cody said he would sell it to me. What do you guys think we should do? Let me know. I kind of want to buy one and build it up myself, but Cody's already done a great job on this one. Save a lot of money for other parts. What do we do? Let us know down below. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like on it, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those bell notifications, because hopefully one day we'll be coming home with a new truck and maybe we can get it looking as good as this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.